Are you trying to get more clicks on your Google ads? Do you want to see what I do with my clients to drop the cost per clicks while getting more clicks? Hi, I'm Francisco. I'm the owner of Planet Marketing, a digital marketing company. We specialize in Facebook ads, Google ads, and remarketing. Today's topic is how to get more clicks on Google ads. Now, before we get to the video, please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel so you can get useful marketing tips. You should also sign up for the Planet Marketing newsletter. This channel is made for business owners, marketers, and aspiring business owners. All links will be in the description. All right, so I am just going to be talking about the ads and how you can get more clicks on them. The first thing here, if you do the search for gaming laptops, maybe you'll see these stars pop out. This side is your Google CPC text ads. This is the most popular way to promote your listings or your ads. So anyway, these are called seller ratings here, and these ratings are also seller ratings. Seller ratings only appear in CPC text ads. You see this guy over here is not using seller ratings. Where do your eyes gravitate to? Maybe to the stars. Okay, on this side, if this is strictly for e-commerce websites, these are called product ratings. So you could get, if you could get stars on your products or on your CPC text ads, you could get more clicks on your ads. Now think about Amazon. Do you ever look at products that have no ratings? I know I really don't, or if I do, I'm like really hesitant to buy. So what I'm going to do is in the descriptions, I'm going to put a couple of the companies that are authorized by Google to syndicate your seller ratings and your product ratings into Google ads. Now there's only about 30 companies that are authorized to do this. Some of them are in German, Japanese, Spanish, Italian, Dutch. So I want to put the English ones in the description. And the same thing for this one, for product ratings. There's only a handful of them, and there's a total of, I think, about maybe 20 companies that can help you out. Okay, the next one is ad extensions. So ad extensions is another way to increase clicks on your ads. Now, if you're in one of your campaigns, actually, let me just show you how to navigate there. So you're in your campaign level here, and then you drill down to one of your campaigns, and you could do ad extensions on a campaign level. I do it on the ad group level just to be more granular, and so that I can have higher conversion rates. So you come over here to the left-hand side, ads and extensions, and you'll see 3 tabs up here. Extensions. All right, so I have a whole a whole video dedicated to this. I'm just going to go through it really quick here so you can see what I'm talking about, and then you could watch the other video for more detail. Okay, so these are what site links do right here. So these 1, 2, 3, 4, you need at least 4 for it to show up like this. So that's the ad, and then these are the site links. Let's go do some other ones. There's call out extensions. This arrow, and then you can see the phone number pop out here. This is the mobile version, and there is no desktop version for the phone number. So have this on your ad if you want to get phone calls. Okay. Let's see here. That was call out extensions. This is a great one. I see this all the time. A lot of people don't fill this one out, but this is just like free real estate here on Google. So if you see this part right here, these are the call out sections. And there's the desktop version. And you can see the ad gets bigger and bigger, and you start hogging up more real estate on Google. So if you look at that, the size of that compared over here, you're talking about this much space on Google. Okay. Let's look at the other one, service. And there's other ones that you can look at too, other types of extensions. I don't use all of them because they don't make sense in every occasion. So there you go. And it just kind of hogs up some more space for you. Okay, so these are all the types of extensions here. Fill out the ones that you want. Location extensions. This is good for a local company. Price extensions if you want to put up some prices of your services or of your products. All right, so fill the whole thing out. Go through this extensions part, and try not to use automated extensions unless it's well, seller ratings are good, and try to keep as granular as possible. You're gonna see an option when you're doing these things. Try to stick away from the account level, because maybe like your phone number is cool on the account level, or your phone number and I don't know, your location, but try to stick in the ad group level. And the next way to get more clicks on your ads is to bring up your ad score or your ad rank. Google's going to look at many factors, but what I do to help that is I separate the keywords into ad groups: exact match, phrase match, and broad modifier. Again, I have a video completely dedicated to this, so you can just get ahead of the curve and not make all kinds of mistakes like I did over the past 13 years doing Google Ads. Okay, so international car shipping. You'll be able to see the search terms of what people are typing in, so you can see. Oh, here we go. International car shipping international, car shipping internationally. All kinds of stuff here. All of these are relative or relevant to what people are typing in. And I'll put this link in the description. 5 tips on Google ad marketing. This is the one that I actually talk about in depth, about the phrase match and stuff like that, grouping them into, and how to do it. Also, you're going to want to do a big list of negative keywords. I go over all this in depth. Just study it. It's all free information. I don't really care about making any money off of it. Okay, so look at these negative keywords. You can see my exact match and my phrase matches in here, and that's how I get these ridiculous conversion rates. If you look at it, come on, man. 25% of the people who come to click on one of my ads, they sign up. So you have to be tedious to be getting results like that. Can you imagine freaking 42%? Look at this. In the last 30 days. Kicks ass. Yeah, I fucking rock. All right. So here's the 4th tip. If you are on a limited budget, decrease your max CPC bids until you are no longer maxed out on your daily budget. Okay, so this is the limited by budget. I go in here and I actually decrease bids because I run out of the budget like around 2 p.m. or 4 p.m. and I want the budget to show all day long. All right, so how do I know which one to pick or where to decrease bids? So I'll look at these. I sort by here, and then I go down the list and just start decreasing bids. Now, I've already done this in the last few days, so I'm not really going to start decreasing bids right now. But this one, 252, I'm not concerned about that one, but maybe right here I can decrease this one from $1.85 down to $1.50, and then I just go in and into each ad group and see which ones are the ones that cost me the most, which is $2.75 right here. This is the average cost per click, and then I start decreasing them one by one. Oh, look at that. All right, well, I only got 2 clicks yesterday, but still. 344 versus 316. Oh, shit! There must be some automation going on around here because the click is much higher than my cost per click, my max CPC bid. Okay, well, I'll have to check into that. Tip number 5 on getting more clicks to your ads is use the keyword in the ad. It'll increase your quality score and your ad rank. Look at my quality scores. Kick ass, 8 out of 10, 9 out of 10, these are all the way down. I'm always up there. So let's take a look at, I don't know, this one here. International car shipping. Here are the ads. International car shipping. The abbreviated part here. Okay, so we have a nice good old click-through rate here. 27%. And look at these conversion rates. Again, this is just from yesterday. If we look at this over the past, let's say 30 days, you get a better picture. And you could see that my ads do fairly well. So again, that's putting the keyword into the ad at the very top. Tip number 6, don't overbid. You'll run out of the budget fast and your ads will not show throughout the day. You don't need to be in average position number 1 all the time. It's okay to be in the average position number 3 to 4 as long as you're tracking the number of conversions that are coming in and the cost per conversion. Okay, here is an example. I am not overbidding, but I'm trying to pull this down. I had it at 250 the other day, so I brought down that CPC down to $1.99. You can see what it was before, $3.39. And again, this is on a 30-day history, so it's remembering the clicks from before. I am in average position 1.7 for the past 30 days, but check this out. I'm going to go into, I don't know, let's see if this one actually did anything yesterday. International car shipping. I got 3 clicks and I am in average position 2.4. I didn't get any conversions yesterday for it, but whatever. I'll get probably some tomorrow. But what matters is how good your ad is written and what do people do when they get to your landing page, which you can see by my conversion rates, 33.29%. So, wouldn't you pay $8.05 per lead? Name, number, and email if you had a service-based business? Could you handle all these conversions coming in? And this is just from one campaign. You saw how many campaigns I have going for this particular client. Tip number 7. Use the entire ad and put a call to action in the ad. Get quote, call now, etc. Tell people what to do. Okay, so I'll just go over to the desktop version and you'll see headline 1, headline 2, and then this goes away. Row, container shipping, and then, okay, get instant car shipping quote. You don't see it in the desktop version, but you will see it in the mobile version. If I take this out, and when you're building ads, just keep this in mind. Okay. There, you can see it doesn't get cut off. Obviously, I'm not going to leave it like that. But if it's too long, Google will not show it on the desktop version. There, it went away. So try to maximize the amount of characters you can use here. Fill out the descriptions, both of the descriptions, line 1 and line 2, and hog up as much real estate as you can in these ads. You're paying for it. And the last tip number 8 to increase clicks on your Google ads is to fill out the URL slug, if it makes sense. So this is the part right here. If you can see on the right hand side, bam, that part. So there we go. Fill that out. Stuff it with a keyword or something. But at least, you know, that's another part to fill out and get people to click on your ads. There you go. So just helps you convert a little bit more. Now you know all of my nasty secrets to get these high conversion rates and lower cost per conversions. I really hope that has helped some of you out. You can utilize all 8. The ones that are going to take an effect the fastest are going to be the ones where you can just make the edits right in your ad. The ones that I really saw a lift in conversions was the Google seller ratings part, the tip number 1 in this video. For if you don't have an e-commerce site, yeah, don't even worry about Google product ratings because you can't use it anyway. So watch the other videos that I've made. I'll put everything's going to be in the description. All the links are going to be in the description. Okay, now let's get back to my outro video. If you found this video useful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. This channel is made for business owners, marketers, and aspiring business owners. If you need help with your Google ads or dropping the CPC text ads safely, contact us on planetmarketing.com. We We specialize in Facebook ads, Google ads, and remarketing. And one last thing, advertise today and get sales tomorrow.